Hey friends, Clickbank is one of the most popular and the biggest affiliate networks on the planet, and it's often the go-to place for newbie beginners or expert marketers alike. Whether that's because the wide variety of products Clickbank has, the ease of getting approved for these products, the commission structure, or the fact that the products are so high converting. However, some people look for alternatives to Clickbank, whether that's because they feel that there's so many affiliates in Clickbank that some of the products are oversaturated, whether they have been kicked out of Clickbank, whether their account has been banned, it is possible, or whether they've just struggled to promote some of those products and they've ended up collecting fees from the commissions that they have generated, because that is one of the downsides to Clickbank. However, despite the fact that Clickbank clearly are one of the best affiliate networks on the planet, there are plenty of alternatives that tick so many of the boxes that we need as affiliate marketers. We need them to be beginner friendly. We need them to be able to approve our requests when we apply for these products. We need the products to be high quality. We need the offers to be high converting. We need great commission structures, or we need the reputation of the network to be so good that we know that we're going to get paid out. So in this video, I'm going to be going over 5 alternatives to Clickbank that tick all of those boxes. And if you'd like to support this video, all I ask of you is to check out the channel and watch one of the other videos on the channel that fit the bill comfortably, just like the video on getting affiliate traffic for your offers. That's well worth watching. And if you'd like to say hello, just jump down to the comment section, say hello, and let me know where you're watching from. So let's get started. Okay, let's start with the first network, and this is JVZoo. Now, this is probably the closest affiliate network to Clickbank in every shape and form. It sells the similar types of products, similar types of categories. It's displayed in a similar sort of way. So if you're looking for something that is very similar to Clickbank but just has different products, this is the place to come. As you can see, just looking at the different types of categories: animals and pets, betting, business, computers, dance, dating, email marketing, education, fitness, food, games, hobbies, employment, languages. It covers so many different categories, and they have all different types of products and different products from Clickbank, okay? Because as I said in the opening gambit, some people might be worried that, products on Clickbank are saturated. It's not necessarily true, but if that is an issue, jump across to JVZoo and you're going to find loads of products, okay? So just looking at these, the way that the page is designed, you'll see that you can look at a specific product and you can get the information that you need to know. So you can see that the price $29, commission is 85%, the earnings per sale, the earnings per visitor, you can see the cart conversion, so you're looking at these sorts of products, 85%, and then you can click through here and you can find further information about these products. A lot of them will have affiliate materials, so this will help you in your marketing. It will tell you what to do, what not to do. Certain products don't want you to do certain things with their products. They don't want them to be marketed in certain ways. But likewise, they will also give you materials, whether that's graphics, videos, adverts, all those sorts of things that will benefit you in your marketing, okay? So JVZoo is a great way. You can, it ticks all the boxes as we started. We spoke about the front, great products, high converting, getting paid, your reputation, all that sort of stuff, ticks all those boxes, okay? So the second one is a similar-ish network, but unlike JVZoo that has more of a wide range of products, JVZoo comes down to more softwares, more trainings, those sorts of things, okay? There's different categories. As you can see here, it has a wide range of different categories, but it's generally softwares and trainings. Okay. Now, JVZoo do have a great reputation. I mean, they were, I believe, a couple of years ago, they were one of the biggest growing companies in the US. So they have a great reputation. They pay out. The commission structure is really high. When you go in, you can try and find these products. You have to request approval. So some of these products you won't get approval for, particularly if you're a newbie beginner, but the most of them you will. But you can see just by looking at the products, a lot of these products have sold tens of thousands. They convert really, really high. The EPC is really, really good. So that's earning per click. So that's an estimated earning for every single click that has been driven to that product to date. So whilst that's not a guarantee that, you're going to earn, $3.65 for every single click that you send, it gives you an estimate of how it converts and what it's worth. Okay. And you can see the commission structure. Most of the time on JVZoo, it's like 50% or 75%. Okay. So it's another platform that's well worth checking out if you're looking for those courses, trainings, softwares, all that sort of stuff. Okay, so we'll move across to number 3 now. And number 3 is an interesting one because it's ShareASale. Okay, so this is a network that brings together loads of different companies. Okay, so rather than specific products, it brings together companies and services. And these are services and companies that you will have heard of, whether it's your high street products, digital services. There's lots and lots of products and services you will be familiar with. Okay, so there is a very similar affiliate network to this called Commission Junction. It's been going forever, and they do a similar sort of thing. Lots of well-known products, well-known brands are on that, but their website's very clunky. To be fair, right? The ShareASale do a similar sort of thing. It's a bit more clear, and you can see that, just looking at this section, what have I clicked on? Domain names. Okay, so you've got Namecheap. Okay, they're one of the biggest companies with regards to domain names, and you can see here you get 30% per sale, and there's a $21 EPC that they've got at the moment, which is insane. And if you're doing anything where you're promoting websites or whatever, and you can say, why don't you get your domain name via this link as well? You can get commissions that way. But as I say, just looking at the categories here, you can see accessories, art, music, photography, automotive, books, business, careers, clothing. There are 1,512 affiliate brands just for clothing. Okay. So there's lots and lots going on here. You will have to apply, and some of the programs within it will want to know how you're going to promote it. But 9 times out of 10, you're going to get approval. And ShareASale, they're a really good company to start with, particularly if you have a very niche direction in your affiliate marketing. So you're looking for a very specific products. Okay. This is well worth looking in, because one of the ones we're going to go on to in a minute, they have a wide range of products, but the commission structure is quite low. So if you want to get into specific types of products, okay, ShareASale is probably the one that you want to go in, whether you're recommending them or whether you're providing information, and then your affiliate offers are supplementary to that information. ShareASale is well worth checking out. Okay, so moving to something which is very specific, and that's market health. Okay, so market health, the reason why I'm talking about market health is in Clickbank, which is how we started this conversation. Their main, the Clickbank is essentially split into 2 sections. Okay, health and wealth creation, as well as a variety of other stuff, which kind of make the 3rd section, everything else. Okay, so finding really good health offers is really, really important, okay? Because people, they convert really, really highly, and they're in demand, okay? And that's why Clickbank have so many great affiliate offers that convert highly and are high quality, okay? So an alternative to that is to go straight to a network that provides these products, okay? A market health or a network that have their own products, they're all of their own products, they convert really, really high. The revenue is generally 50%. You can see that, you know, they're paying 30, 45 bucks, 65 bucks. You know, all of these different commission structures for loads of different products. Look at all these different things. They're kind of covering joints and, you know, different, you know, pets and, you know, etc., etc. So health is your thing, okay? Health is your thing. Market health is the network that you probably want to go and check out. You're going to be able to sign up and you're going to be able to start promoting different products that are going to convert highly, are high quality, and people are going to come back for those products, okay? So let's just move on to the last one. So the last one is Amazon, okay? So we're talking about Clickbank. Clickbank, as I said, it's one of the first places people go to promote affiliate offers because they get seduced by the high commission rates and all that sort of stuff, okay? But sometimes it can be slightly more difficult, okay? Particularly if you don't get the strategies, okay? Whereas Amazon's reputation is just so sky high. You know, when you think about buying some kind of physical product, you know, your AirPods or whatever it is, okay, you just go straight to Amazon. You know, whether it's a book, I was just going to try and find a book, but I haven't actually got any near my desk. But you want to go and buy a book, okay, where do you go? You don't think of anywhere else. You just go, oh, I'll just go on Amazon and I'm going to buy that book, okay? So if you see that a product is being promoted via Amazon, you're not going to think anything of it. You have so much confidence that you're just going to go through and you're going to purchase it. Okay, so Amazon is a great place to promote a variety of products. So as I say, they have everything. Okay, but they also have digital products like Audible, you know, listening to books and, you know, other things like that. Okay, so it's well worth checking out Amazon. The only downside to Amazon affiliate is because they are so big and they own everything, the commission structure is somewhat low, particularly for general products. You know, it's just a couple of percent. So it's all about, you know, promoting products that are going to be really high converting and are going to fly off the shelf, okay? But to start with, it's really, really easy to get involved with Amazon. You can sign up for it and get your links in a matter of seconds, and you're going to get paid out. You know that because, you know, they're an honest company. They're one of the biggest. So that's it. Those were the 5 that we spoke about. So just as a recap, we mentioned Digistore24, JVZoo, ShareASale, Market Health, and Amazon. I hope you have enjoyed this video and you found a lot of content. If you have, give the thumbs up. Remember to subscribe to the channel. And as I said at the start of the video, if you want to support this, all I really ask is that you jump across to the channel and watch one of the videos that falls in with this. So whether it's about how to promote products on Clickbank, driving affiliate traffic, you know, what are the best products on Clickbank? There's loads of content on the channel for you to check out. And remember, jump down to the comment section, just say hello and let me know where you're watching from. And check out this video right here.